Okay, let's get this started. So, the most basic thing that you have to learn for trading is knowing how to put resistance lines and support lines. So, if you look at here, you want a resistance line to at least touch twice, right? It touched right here and it touched right here. So since it touched twice, I like to make it a 2x like that. And then we want to put a support line, which it's either, yeah, so it will be here because it touched a bunch of times. There really isn't a clear support level here. It's really unstable. There really is no good support line. So we'll just go with the I'm just gonna teach you the resistance lines for now. So you can notice here that it touched a couple times as well. It touched right here, right here, and right here, and right here. So let's make this one extra thick. So now, since this one is extra thick, we can expect if these candles, these sticks are called candles, we can expect that if it touches this white line, that the price is going to crash down again. So what we want to do is sell or short the market is what it's called. We do a short position here, right? Oh, hold on. Okay. So we do the short position here. So when the lines go into the red, that is when the order is going to be created. So in order for you to create to start the creation, you right click and press create limit order, and then you sell, right? So now that you created this order, all we have to do now is wait for the candles to touch this white line and go into the red a little bit, and then once it drops below the green, that's when you make money. So let me close that position. So now let's adjust this, because if the candles go above the red line, you're going to lose money. So in order for us to prevent losing a lot of money, we want to put it close to the next resistance level, which is up here because it touched here and here. So we want to be a little bit above it. So if it does happen, let's say the candles go and then it goes through it, there's a good probability that it might touch this and then come back down again. So this is like our safety net, just in case it goes over. And now for the green one, you usually want to go to where the last price went. So the last price was down here, right? Or even down here. So what you want to do is have a risk to reward ratio of 4. So right here is a 2. So it's up to you how you want to go about it, but you usually want to have a risk to reward ratio of 4. So right here, there really isn't a good trade right here, but I'm just going to show you just for learning purposes. So now, let's say we were here, right? We were like that. And then it started going back up again. So like, okay, I am predicting that this is how low it's going to get. So I want to sell at this level, which is at 3 cents. And I want to start my selling process when it goes to 6 cents. So now right here it is Thursday. So now let's see how long we had to wait before it touched. See here, it almost touched. Nope. It touched here on Wednesday. On Wednesday is when it touched. Tuesday. So we had to wait. We had to wait a whole week before we could do this trade. So right here is where it touched. Notice it went up here into the red, and then it dropped below this green, and this is this is how we make money. You want it to drop below the green zone, but we don't want it to go above the red zone, because then we lose money. And that is how you short. So now longing or buying is going to be the opposite. So let's say it went through, right? And then right here is a new level. So we have to draw our new support level. Our new resistance. So this is, okay, this is our support now. When candles go above the resistance, they turn into support levels. So this one is our new resistance level. And we notice that it went down here and it went back up again. So this line is going to be our support level. And the one prior to that is going to be here. This is our other support level, right? So now what we want to do is buy at this green level. So we want to do a long position. At this level, we want the box to be a little bit after the support level, and the green box we want it to hit close to the resistance level. So notice how it's the opposite of shorting. It's the opposite. So now all we have to do is just wait right there. Bam. It went there, and then now we just wait until it goes above the green box, and right there, bam, right here, you made money. And this is how you make money, by shorting and longing the market.